Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will look into the differences between fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate. A fixed exchange rate is a currency system where a country's government or central bank ties the value of its currency to another country's currency, like the US dollar, gold, or a basket of currencies. The primary goal is to maintain a stable, predetermined exchange value. On the other hand, a flexible exchange rate, also known as a floating exchange rate, is a currency system where the value of a country's currency is determined by the supply and demand for that currency in the foreign exchange market. The government or central bank does not actively intervene to set a target rate, allowing the rate to float based on market forces. So, let's look into the basic differences between fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate in a tabular form. Difference number 1. A fixed exchange rate is set by the government, whereas a flexible exchange rate is determined by market demand and supply. Number 2. Under a fixed exchange rate system, the central bank decides the currency value, whereas under a flexible system, the market forces freely determine it. Number 3. In a fixed exchange rate regime, the currency is deliberately devalued or revalued, whereas in a flexible system, it naturally appreciates or depreciates. Number 4. Fixed exchange rates require high government intervention, whereas flexible exchange rates operate with minimal or no intervention. Number 5. A fixed exchange rate requires maintaining large foreign reserves, whereas a flexible exchange rate does not require such reserves. Number 6. In a fixed exchange rate system, BOP deficits cannot adjust automatically, whereas in a flexible system, deficits or surpluses adjust on their own. Number 7. Fixed exchange rates ensure high stability, whereas flexible exchange rates tend to fluctuate frequently. Number 8. The risk of speculation is lower under fixed exchange rates, whereas speculation is more common under flexible rates due to constant fluctuations. Number 9. Fixed exchange rates encourage stable trade and long-term investment, whereas flexible rates may create uncertainty for investors. Number 10. Fixed exchange rate systems do not absorb economic shocks effectively, whereas flexible systems adjust better to external shocks. Number 11. Fixed exchange rates involve high administrative and monitoring costs, whereas flexible systems have relatively lower administrative burdens. And difference number 12. Fixed exchange rates are more suitable for developing economies seeking stability, whereas flexible exchange rates are preferable for advanced economies with strong financial markets. So, these are the differences between fixed exchange rate and flexible exchange rate. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.